Nice bike, dude.
Thanks. I just got it.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Before we start on today's video, I want to give a little shout out to Derek from Mancrafts for sending us these wooden signs all the way from Canada. If you guys been watching our videos, you probably recognize this logo. It's the intro logo to all of our videos. But yeah, check out Derek's business. Hit him up and tell him Lnspltblvd sent you. Alright, today we're going to be replacing the stock Brakeline for two reasons. One, it's a little bit short for my new bars, and two, because it's fucking ugly. So this is the stainless Brakeline kit that I got from TC Bros. It's 5 feet long and it's around 60 bucks. This is going to be my first time installing a custom Brakeline, but I did research and I watched a few videos. And it's pretty simple. The first thing you want to do is to measure your Brakeline to see how long you want it, pretty much. The kit came with instructions, so it's pretty dummy proof. So the length that I'm gonna cut mine is around 40 inches, and I marked it over here. Okay, next, what you want to do is you want to wrap tape tightly around the holes where cut is to be made. Like that. I'm going to use an angle grinder to chop it off. The reason why you want to use an angle grinder instead of a plier is because you don't want the holes to be damaged. See, I cut it using a plier earlier to show you guys that this is not the right way. This is what it looks like with an angle grinder. You see how the holes is still round? And this over here is if you cut with a plier. You see how the hose is damaged? You don't want that. Now I'm gonna cut the other end to make it nice and round like the other one. This kit has a clear coating on the Brakeline. So what you're gonna do next is you wanna remove or trim back the coating around 1 inch. Here's a better view of the clear coat. I used a razor blade to remove it. So now the clear coat is off. You want to do the same to the other end. Next, you want to disassemble your 3-piece adapter fitting. Next, grab your taper nut and slide it over the hose. Like so. Next, grab a small screwdriver and then separate the braided steel line from the Teflon right here. So it should look like this now. Next, grab the small brass piece and then slide it over the inner Teflon with the taper end first, like that, and then push it in. Next, grab your barb end and lubricate it with brake fluid, and then slide it into the, bring this nut up and tighten down. So I got this piece on. Now I'm gonna put on the vise and then tighten it up. Alright, I got one side on. Now I'm gonna do the same to the other. Alright, I got both of the fittings on. Now to remove the stock brake line and install these. I'm gonna remove my tank first before I spill any brake fluid on it. So after I installed the brake line on, it was a little bit too long, so I'm gonna cut it down probably another 2.5 inches. All right, just got the brake line on. Nice and clean. All right, next on the list, we're gonna be mounting the tank. First, I gotta buy some bungs from Bung King. So let's roll. Just got some bungs from Bung King for the tank. I got a few extra ones just in case. But yeah, let's head back. So these are the bungs that I'm going to be using for the tank. Okay, we got the front on. Now we're gonna do the rear. All right, got the tank mounted. A little break from Brenton.
Oh, what's up?
Where we going?
We're gonna go get some new toys. I'm converting over to the dark side.
What, you getting a scooter?
No, it's a big boy bike. Big boy bike. He's chill.
What's your cat's name?
Well, his name is Moose.
Moose.
Yeah, he's gonna run if I let him go though. He's quick. Alright, I'll be right back.
1 hour later.
All right, so we just picked up the bike. We didn't want to record because, you know, we respect his privacy.
Yeah.
But we're gonna get some rollers right now. Vu is riding at home.
Cause I don't know how to ride. That's it. Nice bike, dude.
Thanks. I just got it.
Pretty happy now. I'm very happy actually.
Yeah.
I
Goodbye.
can finally ride with everybody.
What's the reason why he didn't want to ride home?
Oh, I got my thigh tatted.
Show him, dog. Show him.
It's like back here. Legitimate reason.
By Vu too.
By this gentleman here.
So you hit him up for tattoos.
Hit me up.
Here she is.
So, first impressions. Gotta get rid of these stupid pipes.
Really?
Sound like a sewing machine. Second impression. So there's a trick to get it into neutral. I found the trick.
What is it?
Right? So what you gotta do is,
You gotta pray.
yeah, you gotta just never put it back in neutral. So right now it's in neutral, right?
Yeah.
If you're riding, you go into first gear, you go into second gear, whatever, right?
Yeah.
Usually if you're in second gear, you can press down once,
Yeah.
and you see how it skipped it completely, right?
Yeah.
That's what you gotta do.
What?
You gotta go from first up to second, and then half a click. If you just go from first and try to click up, it won't do it.
So go down is easier, then go up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's hella hard to find. For some reason, like on a new bike. See, right now it's hella easy to find. But when I was riding it, see, it's hella easy now. But when I was riding it, I was like, the
I saw
fuck?
you. I saw.
I can't get into neutral, and I was like,
I don't think though.
So how many miles does this bike have?
432 now.
Fuck, focus.
432.
But it feels good.
Shit, for the mileage, better be.
That's some pretty fat tires. That's
Yeah, 48, 16 both. Front and rear.
If you ever swap out your front end, you know who to sell the front end?
Well, you know a guy?
Yeah, I know a guy. His name is Bufan.
Where's it? Wait, did he buy this in Milwaukee or something?
No, I think
Special edition, bro.
I think
Look.
Milwaukee is like.
19 out of 100.
Yeah, look at it. It says Milwaukee up there too.
Oh yeah.
Custom.
Oh, isn't that the headquarters? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Tiny.
Just get new grips.
Yeah.
Yeah, these grips are pretty whack too. It's kind of slippery.
You pop this up.
Oh, you push down, yeah.
Oh, this is snazzy.
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh,
snazzy.
technology.
All right, there's a little spring to it.
The color's pretty nice though.
Oh, I
Custom.
got a. Oh.
Yeah, like it's like how Brian's is.
Fresh paint.
Yeah, this is long. Look like I put my foot just right here.
They feel shorter too. Like when you're on there and you're leaning.
Yeah.
Sometimes like I would go and I look down and I'm like, dude.
Well, look at the design, dude. Usually
Yeah.
pegs go out, you know what I'm saying? This one is dipped down and
Yeah.
out.
It's like they don't want you to lean. Because when I was going and I was just like, turning at a light, I would look down and I'm like, dude, I'm almost scraping it. I'm not even turning it.
Oh, it's registered. It's registered.
Till next year, dog. You're
In
good.
this bad boy.
Oh, the hideaway. I really like the way they did their fender. It's fucking sick.
A little
The
cafe
drag-
feel
yeah,
to it.
It's that cafe drag look. And how it's more, you see how it's like more...
It's meant for one person though.
You see the stock tires? They even got the emblem in there. See that? The Harley emblem in there.
Welcome to the Harley Davidson Club.
I know, thank you.
Welcome.
I feel that much of a man right now. You don't even know. It's like,
You didn't even start it up yourself. You gotta start up your own bike.
oh, man.
Turn it on. See how it feels.
Make sure it's in neutral, dog.
Is it neutral? Did you put it in neutral?
Yeah, put it in neutral.
No, you did not.
Wait, don't do it. Don't do it.
It's not in gear full. No,
You didn't even turn it on. Wow. That's accessory. Go one more. Oh.
Wait.
my
I
God.
thought, okay.
Oh my God. So always wait for that to
that's
prime.
signal.
Yeah, always wait for that to
They
prime.
told me when I. That's called testosterone. Pure testosterone right now.
Do you, it's crazy because like when you listen to the Harley motor, you can hear it go like, I'm a man, 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 I'm a man.